3.
Yeah, hi everybody. Welcome again to another session of a Torah thought in 2 minutes or less. And the prophet Micha, he's one of the books of the 24 written books in the Bible. He said 3 things. He said, do justice, love kindliness, and walk humbly with God. And walk humbly with God. That's what Micha is noted for. And what does that mean, walk humbly with God? That means that in our spare time, we are to review in our minds the Torah that we learned, for instance, these tapes that you're hearing now, and without anybody knowing it, humbly you're listening and reviewing and learning, because that's the mitzvah that the Jews were given. They're a nation of Kohanim. Time-consuming study, and that's what we are to do in our long days. We are to take time out and review and what we learned, because Talmud Torah keneged kulam. Torah learning is equal to everything.